Atlas Labs at Wichita State represent an investment in core technologies here in Wichita that focus right back around in manufacturing. Ever since the 1940s, Wichita became known as the air capital of the world, primarily based on all the advanced manufacturing technology we did, all the way back to the B-52. So if you look at what we're doing here today at NIAR with the Atlas Labs, Atlas is really focusing back on that core manufacturing technology that makes the air capital special.
At Atlas, we are using machine learning algorithms to detect anomalies in manufacturing environment and to increase the productivity through artificial intelligence algorithms so that overall productivity goes up and the manufacturing cost goes down. Atlas is essentially an extension to our industry's R&D labs. We are not just working with aerospace industry, we are also working with urban air mobility, even biomedical industry.
Atlas looks at all the advanced technologies and brings them into a focus where you look at quality, manufacturing rate, and cost, and wraps those all up into a manufacturing system that will propel us for the future. And from the university perspective, it puts us right back to our mission to be an economic driver for the community and also an applied learning model for the future workforce.